realize that there are lots of misconceptions about AI, and yet the reality is that AI is here, and it is how the world is functioning. So this could not have come at a better time. It's a free program where you train yourself online, and we're appealing to as many employers, governments, anybody to register and take this course to enhance their knowledge and skills. We're looking at it as a great opportunity to enhance the performance of enterprises, to enhance productivity, and also to prepare us Kenyans to embrace AI.
I think there's a lot of institutions that are already driving AI skilling. How do you make sure we can harmonize those efforts so that there's better coordination across? Two is also having some level of standardization on our curriculum so that we are able to ensure that whoever has an AI certificate, course certificate, actually can be recognized by employers, and they're confident that this is actually going to add value to their business.